Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. In this short video I'm going to show you the castings I got recently and whose full review will be coming soon. The first one is this 2024 Mercedes-Benz EQB castings by Matchbox and it's new for 2025. Next is this McLaren W1, this castings by Hot Wheels and this is also new for 2025. Then we have this 96 Dodge Viper GTS, again it's new for 2025. Then I've got this CCA Bentley Flying Spur Hybrid. This is the first time I'm getting a casting from CCA. Next is this Ferrari Monza SP1 by Maestro. It's part of the Speed Icons line of casting. Looks good. We also got this Ford Police Interceptor, which I think is a undercover car because it's disguised as a taxi. Next, we have got a 67 Austin minivan. It definitely isn't a new release, but most probably is a recolor. It looks good. Next, we have got Mercedes-Benz 300 SL, and it's by Burago. Again, we'll open it up in coming videos. Up next is the Chevy El Camino from Fast and Furious movies by Hot Wheels. Next we have got 95 Mazda RX-7 Drift. Another car from CCA. This is a Lexus ES300H. It's all sealed up. Haven't opened it yet. Next we have got this Datsun 240Z. Definitely not a new casting, but it's art car kind of, you can say, and has got nice paint. Then we got another model from CCA. It's a Porsche 911 Spider. It comes in its own display box. Very eager to open it up and see the details. Looks good. And the final car is this 71 Mustang Funny car. I'm sure it's not new, but I didn't have it in my collection, so I've got it. So these are all the cars that I got recently, and I will be making videos soon, and you will be able to see the reviews of them. Thank you.